In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Airtable. Duplicates can creep into any workspace and throw off your reports, automations, and day-to-day tracking. Let's walk through a clear, safe way to find and remove them in Airtable. First, open the base that contains the issue and go straight to the table where you've noticed repeats. Make sure you have edit permissions for that table, since you'll be making changes. Next, decide which field in this table is supposed to be unique. In many setups, that might be an email address, a customer ID, or a product SKU. If your team has a data standard, align with that. You're looking for the one field where a repeated value definitely means you have duplicate records. To bring potential duplicates together, use sorting. Click Sort, choose the unique field you're checking, and sort A to Z or smallest to largest. Sorting doesn't change your data. It simply groups identical values side by side so they're easy to spot. If it helps you compare, you can also add a secondary sort, like created time, so the newest or oldest entries line up consistently. Now select the records you plan to remove. Use the checkboxes on the left to pick each duplicate. If you're selecting a block of adjacent records, shift-click the first and last to grab the range in one go. Take your time here. Selection accuracy is key. Before you delete anything, verify one more time that these are true duplicates. Scan for subtle differences such as spelling variations, linked records, attachments, or notes that one copy has and another doesn't. If two rows share the same unique value but contain complementary details, consolidate the needed information into the record you plan to keep before removing the extra copies. When you're confident, right-click the selected records and choose Delete Records. Airtable will ask you to confirm, because this action removes those rows from the table. Confirm the deletion to proceed. Keep in mind that deletion is immediate. If you make a mistake, use undo right away, but it's best to be sure before you click. Finally, review the table. Scroll through the sorted groups and confirm that each unique value appears only once. Clear or adjust your sort to return to your usual view, and spot check a few records to ensure everything looks consistent. That's it. Your table now contains only unique records. Thanks for watching.